This video will help those who have multiple accounts on docs. So I have a lot of accounts, so I will hover over with those accounts. I will show you how I can withdraw those all of account that I have had, okay, that I have had earned a lot of coin. So I already withdraw just two account, and I understood how it does it work a little bit. Two option you have: exchange and wallet. You can do withdraw. You can send your docs in your wallet, and another option is in your exchanger, Bybit, OKX, and that's it. So whatever thing you have, so just a little bit QYC need in here. So in wallet maybe it is easier to transfer. So before that, going to the actual video, I wanna show you the docs communities couple of posts in here. So first one, you are seeing in here the latest post about docs have a requested claim of your tokens already. Over 3.5 million people have already made their choice of the exchange just in the first 10 hours. So could it be the biggest airdrop ever? They're asking you. So don't miss out. Make sure to claim your docs tokens. If you have not done it yet, check the app for instructions and secure your tokens today. So you need to before this token is going to be withdrawal automatically 20 August. So before 20 August you need to set up your wallet, everything, okay? So they given you a lot of time. Now it's 17 August, a lot of time has already. So uh, I will show you another account by. So this one would be, so here is I'm searching my telegram channel, because where has docs post. So okay, so I'm in here and here is doc post. I'm going to open it up because this account I haven't yet connect my uh, anything, okay? I haven't yet set up my withdrawal address in here. So deposit to actions. So if you noticed here, so it's my welcome bonus, because I didn't work in here my main account. I already withdraw, that I did not show you because I already did it in private way outside of recording video. So anyhow, in here, so what's your work is deposit to actions. So this, click on there, okay? Immediately click on there, and here is exchange. So if you have Bybit and OKX to doing withdraw, sorry, to having QYC as well in those exchanger, OKX, Bybit. So feel free to transfer your docs in those account, okay? It should be crucial. I already did because I have Bybit. I did my main account with Bybit, and just let's say you have Bybit, click on here, and yes, I have it. Click put your Bybit UID in here, deposit, okay? Docs deposit address, search on Bybit, okay? I'm showing you. So if I go to my Bybit account, so in here, so here is Bybit account is going to be opened up. So a little bit work to do in here, so never be freak out, okay? Bybit account is opened up. Now if I click on this asset button in here, and if I scroll it down spot, and if I do search on here with DOGS docs, here is docs is already listed on Bybit, but it is not yet able to doing any deposit, withdraw, this type of thing. 20 August it will be happened, okay? So here is click on this deposit button, letter button, click this stone because it's stone based token. So here is your memo and wallet address. Take your wallet and memo from here, and put your memo in here, and Bybit UID already you know about it. So just click on this hair option. I'm showing you this hair option, and here is your Bybit. Sorry, so here is your Bybit. Again, it's happening. Oops. So here is your Bybit UID. So put it, click, just take it and put it into here, okay? It's as simple as that. So if I do it now in here by same account that I did, never happened, because and one account you can do one Bybit thing connect, okay? So here is, let's say, okay, so this is my UID. So here is memo is this on. If I click on this send, I confirm it doesn't work because I did already connect, so it will not be work. So anyhow, if I do back now for doing unlimited, you know, transformation system. So wallet in Telegram, click on here, continue, and here we choose another options, open wallet in Telegram. If I click on here and click this term of use, continue, and it's going to be opened up again. So here is click this continue button again. Let's get verified quick verification to receive docs wallet. So continue, click this, I confirm it. So everybody maybe understand. So here is a little bit box you need to filter up. So confirm and continue, and here is phone verification, continue, do share contact, and unable to link wallet access is restricted, please return to docs and choose the different apps, return to docs. Okay, so here is it's doing problem. If you feel that you have not passed KYC, that means you will not be able to take a deposit wallet. Please choose another options, okay. So here is available after the listing. So non-custodial wallet mean, you know, you can, so if it doesn't work, we will evolve two options. You can available after the listing, so it is would be available after listing. You can send out your token from this to another, okay, non-custodial wallet. So what does non-custodial wallet mean? So if I do search on Google, or if I take help from ChatGPT, so let's see what they say. Non-custodial, okay, non-custodial, okay, anyhow, non-custodial wallet mean, non-custodial wallet mean. So let me see. A non-custodial wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet where the user has full control over their private keys and therefore their funds, unlike custodial wallets where a third party like an exchange or a service provider. So you can you know, send it others, you know, exchanger like maybe docs would be listed, you know, Bybit, LinkedIn, Lbank, you know, OKX. So you can send from here. You don't need to link it out, so just click on here and you can paste the docs address and you can send unlimited way, okay. So if you feel free to, you know, I would say just, you know, you can as well, you know, you can as well, you know, you can as well, yeah, reset your Telegram, and you can log in every account, and you can then add your you know, is of account that you already get earn point, and you can set those point, you can connect wallet different, because Telegram now recognized everything. Telegram now recognized our three account, and therefore we just able to do, you know, uh, by one account. So here is this was the not its problem, I would say. So there's a lot of way to do it. Actions, if you have multiple actions, do it as well, that would be better. So it doesn't work. If I click on this choose and okay, I'm again open to Telegram wallet. I'm able to link wallet access is testing, okay. So open wallet access is restricted, please return to docs and choose a different app. So reload page, let me see, okay. So I'm coming back again. So let me see my VPN. If I do open my VPN and if I try it out, so maybe it doesn't would be work, but if you do the work, that, you know, non-custodial wallet, later you can check it out, okay. And you can as well use, you know, I would say you can use others device, others IP, okay. You can reset your Telegram use of those time when you you know, set up one account, so it will be better to doing. So if I do, here is my phone number, so let me see it. So I don't know it will be happened or not, but if I do live to you, show you, maybe it should be wrong while to show. So if I do reset my Telegram, let me see what happened. Okay, so let's say I wanna uh reset my I'm going to reset it. Clear chess. Okay, it is going to be clear, and let me see. So nothing in here. Clear local data. So here is I'm clearing everything. So yeah, I'm hoping it will be a work. Okay, so it is worthwhile to doing. So a little bit time it will take. Just wait in here. It will take because I have a lot of data set on in Telegram, and that is being removed now. So it will take a couple of minutes maybe, and I'm going to cut it out. So now let me check my Telegram. It is still exist now. If I go in here, so Throug is being opening up. If I close it out, if I disconnect this wallet and wallet in Telegram, if I continue it, open wallet in Telegram, okay, continue, unable to access. It's happening a lot of time, unable to access. So maybe I need to install it and download it, and then a new way I need to hover over with it. Okay, so click on this straw, manage or clear cookie, or entire stuff. You can click this clear cookie in here and cut it out, or you can, I'm trying to quickly delete local database, so it takes a little bit time. So the best way to do is uninstall your Telegram and install it, and then uh, logged in by your number that you did cover docs account, and you earn docs point, and each of those time do connect your separate wallet that Telegram gives you. Okay, so it would be best way to do it, because every time you install it and change your IP, okay, use VPN and do your plan mode and turn on, like this type of strategy would be work, I'm hoping. So do this way, I'm hoping it will be work. Okay, so it is worthwhile to doing. Okay, so if you don't join our Telegram channel in here, Ranga Finance, check out description box. There's a lot of people already joined in here. So yeah, I'm hoping you will come in our Telegram channel. So this way you can do it. Okay, I've already connect my couple of wallet by doing the same thing. So maybe this strategy would be work. Maybe I can convert another video, live video, you can watch it. So therefore do subscribe and stay with the channel. So here is our Telegram channel, so coming to here, it will be worthwhile to doing join, because there's a lot of airdrop is going on, so you can never be miss out anything at all. That is worthwhile to participate. So Sahara AI, it is a good airdrop, and they are doing a good job. Agritex, this type of airdrop I'm doing, so it's worthwhile to participate in here. So feel free and check out description box, everything you will get. You can talk with me, you can book a call, description box, and you can talk with me 30 minutes, anything you want. So check it out.